Picture this. You and your best friend gather your closest friends for a surprise campfire night. Blankets circle the crackling fire, the stars twinkle above, and everyone takes turns sharing stories that spark laughter and tears. Old memories resurface, inside jokes fly, and you feel the warmth of true connection. Each tale makes you realize how rare and precious these moments are. By the end of the night, you're not just friends, you're family. Wouldn't you want your own unforgettable night like this? Who would you invite to your campfire?